Hello everyone. In this video, let us see how to pronounce these words exactly in American style in conformance with Cambridge Dictionary. The speciality of these words are all these words are starting with BU. Okay. So first BUST. So when you want to give a sound for a word in English, you have to see the phonetic transcription. This is phonetic transcription. So if you read this, this is bust. So here U has taken the sound of A, short A. So that's why I written in Hindi and Telugu letters. After that, BUSY. What is that? Busy. It is a two-syllabic word. So the stress is marked here. Okay? Biz. Stressed. E. Busy. So here the U is given the sound E. Okay? Next. BUSH. Monosyllabic. So bush. So here U became U. After that BURY. This is berry. This is also two syllabic. Berry. Berry. Okay. So here the U taken the sound of A. And this BUDA PEST. This is a three-syllabic word. So the primary stress here, secondary stress is this one, this syllable. So how is Budapest? So this is Budapest. So here U was assigned the sound of long vowel U. Okay. Next, BUREAU. This is also a two-syllabic word, that is bureau. Here you see this phonetic transcription. This is U. So here you taken the sound of U. That is what syllable. It is a syllabic consonant or consonant. So after noting down all these things, what is striking as U writing after B, it has taken four vowel sounds short and one long vowel and one consonant, that syllabic consonant. So in these circumstances, can anyone give a formula for assigning or giving a particular sound for letter U? No, it's a big no. For this sake only, linguists and language pathologists have invented International Phonetic Alphabet for the sake of English as second language learners, non-natives. Okay. So here, for giving exact sound, you have to, and you should be able to read in a position of these phonemes. So this IPA gives the exact sounds of phonemes, and like here, syllable division and syllable stress. So while keeping this in our brain, we had designed one crash course in IPA. So if you just spend 5 days, each 40 minutes with us online, we will train you in both UK and US styles of pronunciation. So this will improve your listening and speaking skills. Moreover, in these days, you might have watched so many videos stating that you are mispronouncing this word and you are mispronouncing or wrongly pronouncing that word. So if you learn IPA, you yourself can decide how to give and which sound should be given to the word. Okay, so please feel free to contact us. Have a great day.